Good morning! Good morning, learners and learning facilitators at home. Today, we will be discussing about our homeroom guidance for Quarter 4, Module 10. Okay, it is good for weeks 1 and 2. And our topic is about Count Me In, or the title is Count Me In. Okay, can you repeat it again? Very good. And for our lesson objectives at the end of this module, you are expected to first identify skills learned at home and in school. Second, appreciate being active and participating relevant to the environment. And lastly, demonstrate ways on taking care of the surroundings. Okay, look at these pictures. What have you observed in these pictures? Very good. These are showing talents or skills. Remember, there are many skills that you have already learned from home and in school. Okay, these skills are learned in school or at home and you develop it. And these skills will help you to be more active in taking care of the environment and surroundings. Okay. Remember that your skills will also help to uh, it helps you to be more active. And by these simple uh, activities, it may help you to take care of the surroundings and the environment. Okay, now we will have our activity. It is called as Skills Mo, Show Mo, or it is a charade game. When we say charade, you will act out and you will not say anything, okay? You will show your skills. The title is Skills Mo, Show Mo. Okay, and for the mechanics of the game, here it is. Play this game with the other family members. Act out the following skills without saying any word. Make sure that the person who will guess will not see the list. Okay, later on, uh, we will do it. Each group will be given 30 seconds to guess. Okay, you need to have your timer with you. Okay, 30 seconds is your time limit. A score of 1 point will be given for every correct answer. And the group who gets the highest score wins the game. Okay? Did you understand the mechanics of the game? Okay, great. Okay, these are the skills that you will act out. Gardening, dancing, reading, writing, and reciting a poem. Let us answer now the processing questions. You will just answer orally the following questions. Based on the activities, skills mo, show mo, or the charade game. Number 1, what skills do you have that are on the list? Okay, you may cite it or say it with your companion at home. Number 2, where did you learn those skills? Is it at home or in school? Very good. Now, with the help of your parents or guardians, identify the skills by writing the missing letters. Do this on a clean sheet of paper. Okay? Ready with your paper? Ah, uh, this is the first one. Ah, it has WRI blank I blank and G. What does the picture shows? Identify it and write your answer and complete the word by writing the missing letter. Are you through? What is the missing letters? Okay, it is letter T and N. It is writing. Did you get it correctly? Very good. Let us continue. Number 2. It has R, blank, A, blank, I, and G. Okay, what skill is this? Okay, complete this word or this skill. And what is your answer? What letter did you put on the missing letter? Okay, it is letter E and letter D. It is reading. Do we have the same answer? Great. Next, number 3. It is gardening. And letter blank. Okay. Gardeni and blank. Okay, what is the missing letter or the last letter of this word? Okay, it is letter G. And we have the word gardening. Okay, and now let's have this. It has letter D, R, A, blank, I, N, G. What does this picture shows? Or what is this skill? Okay, it is drawing and the missing letter is letter W. Okay, are you correct? Very good. Next, let's have this picture. And it has letter or letters R, E, blank, I, T, I, N, blank, A, P, O, E, and blank. This is the skills that is being shown. What is it? Write your answer. And what is the missing letters? Okay, it is letter C. What else? G and M. And we have reciting a poem. Do you get it correctly? Very good! If you got the correct answer. And lastly, we have DA blank, CIN blank. What is this skill that is being shown in this picture? Okay, it is dancing. And the missing letters are N and G. Okay, count your correct answers. Oh, what is your score? Great. Based on the pictures, what are the skills that you have learned at home and in school? Kindly enumerate it. Great. Number 2, How did you feel upon discovering the skills that you have learned? I'm happy too. Remember and keep in your mind, skills can be learned at home and in school, like writing, reading, dancing, drawing, and reciting a poem. Use them in doing good things by sharing the skills you have learned. It can also be of great help for you and to the environment. Ah, the following are some ways that you can do to take care of your surroundings. First is what we called as Clego. Practice clean as you go. Again, it is practice clean as you go or Clego. Next, we have this picture. What does this picture shows? Or what is the meaning of this picture? Okay, very good. It is recycle. Example, you may use your old notebooks, use paper or pencils. This shows recycle, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Another way to take care of our surroundings is gardening. Okay? Do you have a garden at home? Did you practice gardening? Oh, great. If you are taking care of plants and especially your surroundings by gardening. Okay? This one. Uh, what do you think is this picture or this symbol? It symbolizes water. Okay? But it has these words, save water. Okay, by this means it encouraging or encourages you to conserve water. Okay, another way that you will take care of our surroundings is conserving water. For example, you may use the used water in planting the flowers or the trees, your plants, and do not let the faucet water open. Okay? Another is turning off the lights when not in use. By this way, we are conserving electricity. And it is another way to take care of our surroundings. If you see a room that is well lighted, you may turn off the lights also if it is not dark. And if you are not using um, that room or that location, you turn off. Before you go, turn off the lights. Okay? Another example of ways on how to take care of our surroundings is donating things that you no longer use. Okay? If you have plenty of clothes or toys that you are not using or you already enjoyed it and not playing with it, you may donate it. Especially your old clothes that the other person may use it. Okay? And it is also ways on sharing to others and taking care of others. Remember, you might be doing these things already without you realizing it. Remember that your learned skills can be your active participation in taking care of your surroundings. Just keep it in your mind. Okay? Now, you can do it. You will do this activity with the help of your parent or guardian. Do the following. With the skills you have learned during this quarantine period, show ways on how to take care of your surroundings. Example is recite a poem about the environment. Another example of skills or skill is draw ways on taking care of the environment or make an art out of recyclable materials. Okay? Uh, this is your activity. You can do it. You will show your skills on how you take care of your surroundings. Okay? Uh, Now, do the following with the help of your guardians or parents or guardian. On a clean sheet of paper, write T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. Number 1. Skills can be learned at home and in school. Is it true? Write T. Or false? Write F. I'll write your answer. Number 2. Do not participate in activities on taking care of your surroundings. T or F? Are you through? Let's continue. Number 3. Practice clean as you go or play go. Is it T, true, or F, false? Number 4. Skills are helpful to you as well as to the environment. Is it true? Write T. Or false? Write F. Number 5, last number. Participate in activities that take care of your surroundings with the use of the skills that you have learned. Is it T, true, or F, false? Write your answer. Okay. Now, it's time for you to share your thoughts and feelings. You will complete the following statements. I will take care of my surroundings by blank. Okay? Complete the statement. Say your answer. Okay, very good. I feel blank when I participate in taking care of my surroundings. What did you feel when you participate or actively participate in taking care of your surrounding? Great. And for that, you have 3 stars. Well done. Thank you for your time, and I hope that you remember what we have learned today in Homeroom Guidance for Quarter 4, Module 10. Thank you. Till next time, this is Teacher Diana Lynn. Goodbye.